Do you want to edit a scheduled post on your LinkedIn profile? Let me show you how to do this from your phone. All you have to do, guys, once you're on the LinkedIn app on your phone, click the post button on the bottom of your screen in the center there, then click the schedule icon on the upper right hand side. From here, towards the upper right hand side again, click and view all. And from here, you will be able to find all your scheduled posts. Simply find the one that you want to edit, click the three dots towards the right hand side, and click and edit post. From here, you'll be able to change whatever you want. So let's say I want to add the word now. I'm going to just add that test now, right? And let's say that's all that I want to change, right? I can go ahead and make the changes that I want. I can go ahead and I can even change the time and date. Let's say I want to modify the time as well. If you look at the top there, you have the edit button. So you can tap on that to change the time and date. So I can change this not from 9, but I can say to make it at 10 and then go ahead and click on OK. Then click on next. Then from here, once you're done, click on schedule again, and that's how you go ahead and modify or edit your scheduled post on LinkedIn. Very easy and very simple, guys.